everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 15th to the 19th of August 2022 on Monday. Sbu achieved his biggest dream to take Nkunzi out for good. He succeeded. Hleziphi stumbles upon some valuable evidence that threatened to bury Kwanda and Nonka. Mbata hijack Kapsile's interview on Tuesday. Nkunzi's life hangs in the balance while Sbu envision what his future will look like without Kruger in it. Hleziphi gets abducted on Wednesday. Nonka gets evidence that Kwanda is indeed a drug dealer. Kwanda tortures Hleziphi to get his drug back. Nyawo is shocked hearing that Nkunzi is dead on Thursday. The township struggled to come to terms with the death of their landlord. Mbata goes on a hunt for his mom Fundisi. Nonka and Hleziphi take a hot seat as they fight for their lives on Friday. The Kaba family learns of devastating news. The hub is in jeopardy of shutting down. Mbata must adjust to accommodate Tantaswa. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.